everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees and I'm back with another video. In today's video, this is my road to recovery series on my channel. I don't know what number this is about to be titled. I have so many videos that I have to edit, so I think this is number 5, 6, or 7, who knows. But as you can see, you already should have watched the one where I did my hair and I twisted it up. So this is what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to be using olaplex for the next couple of washes because this is a road to recovery series. I damaged my hair, so I want to make sure that it gets recovered. So this is the olaplex set. I got this at Sephora. This was $60, okay? $60 for this, and I feel like it was definitely worth it because when I tell y'all, I watched a girl, right? Her hair was blonde. Her hair was bone straight. Like, her hair was so damaged, it was ridiculous. And when I tell you, she used this, she used number 3 for 5 washes. And when I tell you, her hair had some curls by the end of that treatment. By the end of the 5th wash, her hair had curls. So I was like, if olaplex can do that for that girl and her hair was bone straight, I know it can fix this. So I'm not even worried. So let's just get into it. So this is the olaplex set. Like I said, it was $60. I have number 3, the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the bonding oil or serum, whatever. Like I said, this was $60. This was definitely a steal for the holiday season. So I'm just gonna open it and show y'all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just about to take these out the thing here. Ooh. Okay, so first of all, these smell really good. Okay, so this is number 3, and like I said, that girl used this for 5 uses, this little bottle right here. So if she can use it for 5 uses, I know I can get at least 4 out of this because her hair was just as long, not just as long, but her hair was like kind of like mine. So this is the number 3 take home olaplex. So it is going to repair, strengthen all hair types. All right. It says use once per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until generously saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes longer if desired. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes or 15. And then this is the shampoo. So let me read. Use every time you shampoo or after rinsing out. Number 3. Okay, so you use these in order. So number 3 comes first, number 4, this is number 5, and this little bottle here is the number 7. Okay, so this is the one that I'm actually excited to try. This is the number 3. The number 4 is shampoo. So you just use regular shampoo. I mean, you just use this like regular shampoo. Conditioner, same thing. You use just like regular conditioner, as well as this right here. This is the olaplex bonding oil. So let me, there's no directions on how to use this. There's no directions on how to use this. Huh. Okay, hold on. Hold on, where's the box? Okay, so this says use every time you style to boost shine and heat protectant up to 450 degrees or 232 degrees Celsius. I am not going to be using any heat on my hair for a good little minute. So this is the, so I'm just going to add this on my hair like during styling. It smells kind of good. I'm not even gonna hold you. This smell good. I'm really looking forward to using all of these products. Like I said, hopefully y'all stay tuned for my journey. Olaplex. I have watched so many videos. See, this is what you need to do. You need to watch videos and look at reviews before you get anything. Like, before you buy anything, look at reviews. When I tell you, these people rave about this, and I have seen the difference in their hair on YouTube. I've seen the difference in their hair. Ooh, and it smells good too. Y'all, I cannot wait to use this. I'm not going to use it right now because I already styled my hair. My hair is in these chunky twists. So I'm not going to do it right now. I just wanted to give my hair a break because I colored it. I deep conditioned. I put the twist in and all that other stuff. So I just want to give my hair a break from styling for a minute. So yeah, I am gonna take this on vacation with me because it is 3 ounces. So yeah, this will definitely fit in my suitcase. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned for my journey, my road to recovery journey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure, let me know if you have used Olaplex, or did it work for you, did it not work for you. But you can't use it one time. So that's the thing, you can't use it one time and then expect for it to work. It's a recovery process, so you have to do it over and over and over again. So yeah, I'm definitely aware of that, and I cannot wait to get my curls back in order. I colored my hair, so I did the damage, so now I gotta suffer the consequences. But we gonna get these curls back popping without cutting my hair. Okay, all right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, as well as my TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice as well. And I'll see y'all in my next video, number 7 or number 6, whatever number, I don't know. Okay, bye.